Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna be doing some press-on nails. So I've always loved press-on nails because they're easy to do and you can also remove them whenever you're ready, and you can always put them back on. So I decided I've done press-on nails before but with regular polish. Today I'm using gel polish to do my press-on nails. So we're starting off by putting my base coat, so I did not forget it this time. So I'm just adding my base coat to the nails. Once I'm finished, I'm going to allow those to dry under my lamp for about 30 seconds, and then I'm going to use this gel polish I'm showing you now. It says it's shocking pink, that's the color. I got that from my local store here. So I'll be putting those on all the nails. Now I'm just going to use about 2 coats, because if you put more, I realized at the end of the video that the nails, they were very stiff. So if you put more than 2 coats, it might be difficult for them to adjust to the size of your fingers. So you have to be careful when you're using gel polish for the press-on nails, because it may not fit your finger when you're finished. So here I am. I'm actually finished with the 2 coats and I've dried them under my lamp. So now I'm using this other color gel polish. This one I think is neon yellow. I also got that from my local store. That's neon yellow. What I did was to put some pink, the same pink on it before. You can't see it because the nail is the same color, but I put some pink on it before, some pink dots or spots, and then I put the yellow. And all I'm doing, I'm just taking a nail art brush, a regular nail art brush, and I'm just moving it around to get the desired design that I want. So basically that's all you're doing, what you see me doing there. What I did was to get a little, just put a little beside me just in case I run out, just as you see me. So in case there's too much yellow in one area, I'll just dip it in the brush and put a little more pink. If there's a little more pink than yellow, I put some yellow, or if there's a little more yellow than pink, then I put some pink. So that's basically what I'm doing just to get this design. Very easy design. Once you've practiced, then it'll be very easy to do. So I'm almost through with this nail. So once I was finished, I decided I wanted to just put something very simple on the rest of the nails, because I didn't want it to be too distracting, because the color is already bright. So I just wanted something very simple on the rest of the nails. So all I did was just draw a line, a wiggly line on the rest of the nails, and I basically had to just do that design then and there because I wasn't sure what I wanted to do. So I just tried it on one nail and it looked okay, so I decided to just do it on the rest of the nails. So I'm basically finished. What I'm doing now, I'm using a gel glitter polish. That's a regular glitter polish. I did not have the glitter that I wanted. I wanted some small glitters to put on it. I didn't have the glitters, I just used it glitter polish. But what I did was to mix it with the top coat. So I just mixed that glitter polish with the top coat, so I won't have to paint it again. So that's basically what I'm doing, and then once I put that in my lamp, I'm finished, because I would have already placed the top coat on it. So that's basically it. So I'll definitely be trying. I love how these turned out. Actually turned out much. It's more than I had expected for my first time working with gel polish. So I'll definitely be doing more of these. So again, I want to say thank you for those who are watching, and if you're new, please do subscribe to my channel. Help me get to at least 2,000 subscribers for now, and so I will keep going. Now what I'm gonna do, I'm not going to put these on now, but I'm just going to put on the thumb just to show you what it looks like. So you'll have to prep your nails as usual. Push down your cuticles. You will have to file, take out the shine, and I've watched several videos, and what others have recommended is for you to use a nail dehydrator and a primer on your nails to ensure that the press-on nails stay on much longer. Also, you need to use a good, very good brush-on glue. The brush-on glue works better based on what I've watched. So once you have filed the nails, you've taken off all the shine, all the oils, you will use a nail dehydrator on the nail, and then you can use one of those, a good quality brush-on glue, and that should allow the nail to stay for at least, say, 1 to 2 weeks. That's based on what I have read, and I basically used it before, but I didn't use the brush-on glue because usually when I put on the press-on nails, it's just for a few days. So if you want it to stay on longer, you can do that. So basically that's what I'm doing. I'm just going to put it on my thumb just so that you can see that it basically looks the same as if you did your acrylic nails or your polygel nails or whichever nails. It basically looks the same. So there you have it, and we're basically at the end of our video. So I just want to thank everybody for watching, and I do hope that you just continue to watch me as I do more of these videos for you. So thank you again, and if you haven't subscribed yet, please subscribe and like my video, and I'll see you next time. Bye.